I'm Scott with Marcs Mobility. Today we're going to be unboxing and assembling the new Helix by Travel Buggy. This is a really cool new scooter that's on the market, so I'm going to show you how to unbox it. First thing, this is what the box looks like. It's going to come through either UPS or FedEx. It's not going to be on a pallet or anything like that. But what we're going to do, we're going to get our knife. We're going to go ahead and cut these straps that are holding the lid on. Go ahead and lift this box up, and this is what we see. There's just some foam in the way, but on this little side here, tucked away, I can't really show you, but the charger is tucked in the side right there. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that first thing. Now, in order to get the tiller up, we got to reach under here. There's a notch in the foam on the right-hand side. We're going to reach our hand under, and I should have in a video overlay what this looks like, but there's a red tab. You can't really see it, but you're going to have to feel around for it and push it in. And this is loaded by a piston, so once you push it in, it should go up on its own, but this now moves this out of the way. On the right-hand side here of the foam, we're going to slide this out. This is our front foot plate, and it also has our owner's manual. So I'm going to set these to the side. From here, we're going to take the box on the outside and just kind of lift up on it. And now we can lift up on our foam. Move this out of the way. And now we get a good look at the scooter. I'll move this out of the way. So those rear wheels were kind of resting in here, those rear anti-tip wheels, so I did have to lift it just a little bit. The scooter doesn't weigh too much. I remember it being around the 50-pound mark, so it wasn't too bad. You just lift it and slide those two wheels out of that notch. And now I'm going to take a moment. I'm going to take some of this packing material off and clean up, and we're going to get to assembling the scooter. Now I've got a lot of this packing material out of the way. We're going to unfold this. So in the back, there's a red lever. We're going to lift up on that. Then that allows this entire seating system to go forward, and it's going to latch shut. Now I wonder, yes, so it makes a loud audible clicking sound. You don't have to hold the lever the whole time. So you pull it, lift it up, and then snap it shut. The back goes into the back just like this. There is some Velcro on here. I assume our cushions are underneath. And to get it out of the box, first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to lift it up. There's one of our cushions. I think the other one's under here. Get those out of the way, and I should be able to just kind of roll it. Just like that. And that gets it out of the way. And now I'm going to attach our cushions. So we got the smaller one, which is going to be our back cushion. There we go. And that will just attach right there. Then the larger one is going to be our main seat cushion. I like this cushion too. It's nice and thick. A lot of these folding power chairs have these really flimsy cushions on them. I like how this one feels. I think it'll be very comfortable. It's contoured as well. One quick thing to note, you can adjust your tiller up and down as well. There's a red or a black handle here you can lift up, so you can bring this higher or lower. Latch it shut. And then this red handle I was talking about earlier, you can use that to bring the tiller closer or further away from you. This seat back doesn't have any latches, it'll just fold down. It will not fold flat with the cushions on it, so that's why they're Velcro and removable. Next thing, I'm going to install that front foot plate. Now we're going to install this foot plate. It's pretty easy, it just slides in. There's two brackets here. You're going to line it up with the two tubes. And then it should just automatically click once you get it slid in. You'll hear it. There we go. So they both clicked into place, and that is our front foot plate. This also has a handle on it, so when you're transporting it or getting into your vehicle, you can grab it from here as well. And now we're going to turn on the power. In the rear, there's a little on-off switch. Your battery is located behind the seat. So there's a little on-off switch. You want to make sure we're in the on direction, which is the little line. The circle means we're closed. There is a little power button on the battery too. You can hold that down and see how much charge is left on your battery. So we're about halfway charged. I'm probably going to charge this. From back here, you can also charge your battery. There's a charging port above the power switch. And now to turn the scooter on, you're going to go to your little speed knob here. You're going to turn it to the right and you'll hear a click. You get this nice digital display and that'll turn your scooter on. Now, if you turn the scooter on and you hear this sound, or not a sound, but you see these lights flashing and you go to drive it, nothing happens, that means you're in neutral. Neutral allows you to freewheel the scooter like this if you ever need to push it. But it will not drive in neutral. You want to go to the back here. There's a red lever. We're going to push that down into the locked position. We're going to have to turn the power off and back on. And now we can drive the scooter. This has been the unboxing and assembly of the new Helix by Travel Buggy. This is a really cool scooter. Be sure to check out our full review and demonstration. I'm going to have that linked in the description below, as well as a link to this scooter, our product page, if you want pricing or you want to order one. But check out that full review. We're going to go over all the features, how to use this, and then what our opinions are of the scooter. So go ahead and check that out. Thank you for watching. Please give us a call if you have any questions.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.